Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you the Jupiter C. It's complete, but I'm just going to be removing the masking tape in this video and the masking material. I use paper, I use plastic. As you know, I use Tamiya's yellow masking tape. That's the stuff that I put on the body. You will see blue tape, which I don't really use for any sharp lines or anything. I just use that just to hold plastic and paper together. So that's what I'm going to be showing you, just removing all the paper and the plastic and stuff like that. I use X-Acto knives. I have these little curved scissors I use to cut some of the tape apart, and I use regular size scissors, and I use tweezers just to sometimes reach and peel up some tape. And I use the X-Acto knife to get underneath the edges of tape also. So here I'm just removing it from the body. And you will see how everything goes. There's a reveal showing the body. Now I'm working on the main parts where I had to mask off the fins. Those I painted with flat black. I didn't go with the gloss black. I used semi-gloss white on the body, and I used flat black on the fins. I just think it looks really nice. So once I get the decals on it, I'll clear coat that black with some... I may use flat again. I'm not sure. I gotta see what clear coat I have actually. So here, just peeling off the fins. See, I do use the blue, as you see, to cover the big sections, but for the sharp lines, I will use the yellow Tamiya's tape. I didn't get any bleed through. I may have a small, not bleed, just a little, where some masking wasn't covered. You think you have it all covered? Maybe just a little. Maybe just a little. I may have to do a little touch up. I remember an area where there's just a little piece of where it can fill in with some black. I'll get a flat black Testors, one of the paint pens, or a small little bottle, and I have to paint that line. But that completes it. So this is the finished rocket. Here you can see I added the decals, and my water slides did not work out. I had to use the ones from Sticker Shock. The water slides were just too old. I coated them with the micro scale, and I had to, and it just didn't work. I went to use them, they would not stick. So it's just another deal there. But overall, the rocket came out nice. Got all decals on. Just had, like I said, a little touch up. So the Jupiter C will fly soon. Came out really nice. I like it a lot. Smile Rock 321. Subscribe to the channel for more.